Hey y'all, it's that time again. It is Stitch Fix Day. Always an exciting time. If you don't know, my name's Wanda and I'm here with Southern Bells. I am missing one, but hopefully it won't be too much longer before Rebecca is back here with me. But this is Stitch Fix, and if you don't know about Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service where you go in and you request your box. You can set it up at intervals like monthly or quarterly or whatever you want to do. There is a $20 styling fee, and they will send you 5 items, whether it be clothing, accessories, shoes, handbags, that you can try on in the privacy of your own home. And I just love this service. Not sure exactly how many I've had. Well, let me see if it tells me. This is my 20th Stitch Fix, so I've been with the service for a while. My stylist is Nicole, and she has done an awesome job, and I can't wait to see what I have today. So you get a prepaid mailer for anything that you don't wish to keep. You just put it in here, pop it in your mailbox, and you're done. All right, so here's my bundle. I see some very pretty things, pretty colors. I did ask for a neutral outfit that I could wear that would be, you know, appropriate for someone of my age. So that is very pretty, and the exciting thing is I have shoes. This is only the second time that I've received shoes from Stitch Fix, and I love shoes. I got a pair of booties back in December or January. Loved them. So I am excited to see what I have. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, I will list some of the details in my description of this video so that we can get right into the part that everybody likes, seeing what you got and the try on. If you haven't already though, I would love to ask you to click subscribe. Click the notification bell, and you will be notified of any videos that I put up in the future. And you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you'd like to, and if you like Stitch Fix, give a thumbs up. So here are the shoes. Let's see. Oh, those are pretty. Those are so pretty. They're in like a natural woven type material. The heel is not too outrageously high, and when it's a thicker heel, I don't mind it near as much. It has that zipper opening. I cannot wait to try these on. Not sure if I can wait to see the price or not, because I'm sure they'll be pricey. They are, I believe they're Toms. Yep, they're Toms. So have to see how much those are, but very pretty neutral color there that would go with a lot of things. Alright, now to get into the bundle. Sorry for the noise. Here is a sleeveless blouse in a very pretty print. I really like those colors. And it's a tie front top, which I'm hit or miss with the tie front. A lot of it just depends on where it hits me. It may be a little sheer, but it's a very cool fabric, which is something that I need here in South Carolina. So I can't wait to try that on. Okay, this is a little bit more filmy type feeling, probably a polyester fabric. Maybe not quite as breathable, but I think that is so cute. It has an elastic waist on the bottom. I really hope this looks right on me because I do like the shape of it, and just see if it fits my shape. And it's in navy, which if you've watched me for very long, you know that is one of my most favorite colors that there is. Alright, this next top is very pretty too. Very pretty. It's an off-shoulder top, which I tend, if I get an off-shoulder top, to try them on the shoulders because I'm not quite comfortable with that. But again, this is very pretty. All of these tops, you notice, are in the neutral type color, so I really do like that. In summer, I love to see khaki and white together. In fact, I would love to have the perfect white t-shirt to just wear with khaki shorts, khaki pants, a khaki skirt. And look what I have. I have kind of a darker khaki colored cuffed trouser. I like these. I really do like these. They're stretchy, and I can't wait to try them on. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. So I will be back with the try on. Okay, so I'm back with 3 of the pieces. We're going to start out with the top, which is the pink clover cardine tie front blouse in a size medium, and it's $38. I really like this blouse. It's very light feeling. It doesn't cling to me. It's really good for the hot summer days that we are having. It has a little contrast in the back. I like the V-neck here. I think I kind of like where it hits me, but I really, really, really want to have your input on this, because I am going to be able to get this video up in time before I need to send the clothes back. So I would really like to know your opinion on it, because sometimes you guys see it with clearer eyes than what I do. But by just the feel of it, I really do like this top a lot. Okay, now let's look at the pants. And the pants are tribal Thea cuffed cropped trouser in the color taupe, size 8, and they're $58. And again, these feel really nice. They have stretch to them. Sorry about that. They have some stretch to them. They have the cuff. What do you think about the length and where they hit me? Do you think that's flattering, or do you think I need to go longer or shorter? They're just a pull-on, and I hope they don't look too tight, but I would usually, I can't think of a time I would have anything fully tucked in. I would always have something kind of pulled down over it. I like the color of them. I don't have anything this color, and I think that would be pretty versatile. Okay. And then here are the shoes. The Tom's Mallorca cutout heel shoes in off-white. Again, the neutral color of them would go with just hundreds of things, and I really like these shoes. They're size 6. They're comfortable, very comfortable, but they're also $89, which that's pretty high for me. For this retired teacher's income, that's pretty high. It may be for a lot of people. But I do love them, and I do know that I would get a lot of wear out of them, so I have to kind of think about the cost per wear. That always plays a part in it. So yeah, if you could, just let me know what you think about these pieces separately or as an outfit. And I am going to keep the shoes and the pants on to try the other 2 blouses, because they are meant to go together. I know last Stitch Fix video that I did working with the styling cards, and I plan on doing that as well to myself, but since all of these were meant to go together, this is how I decided to do the try on this time. Okay, I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, this next top is the Alice Blue. I need to get my notes here. The Alice Blue Pammy Smocked Detail Blouse in navy, size medium, and this top is also $38. Nicole, I am very grateful for the price point of the blouses that you sent me this time. I think they are this one and the other one both are very well worth $38. Again, I really like this top. Of course, if you know me, these are my colors, anything navy, but I love the airiness of the blouse. Now, I don't know if I would be comfortable wearing them with the stretch pants like this so much. I don't know. Again, tell me what you think. Tell me if I need it with another pant, because it comes up a little bit higher and it shows me more of me, I guess. But yeah, very simple blouse, but I love this, and it feels so good on. It feels so cool, and that's what I'm needing in these summer days. I've got a lot of decisions to make, so I have one more blouse. I'll be right back with it. And here's the last top. This top is the Verse Stassi off-the-shoulder bell sleeve blouse in off-white, size medium, and this is $48. Again, this is a beautiful blouse. Look at these sleeves. Love the sleeves on them. And I love the blouse and I love the way that it looks, but I also know I'm just not very comfortable with off-the-shoulder blouses. I have two. One I have, but I always wear it up here. The second one I've never really worn except maybe one time. And again, it's a beautiful blouse. I love it, but I'm just not comfortable in it. And it's the same with this. I think it's so gorgeous, and it looks really nice with this outfit as well. And I'm in a dilemma here because actually with Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount. And with this particular fix, it would actually be cheaper keeping 5 of the items than it would buying 4 of the items. The total of this fix is $271, which again is kind of pricey. That's higher than I like to see it. But I know that we do have the Tom shoes in here, and that accounts for most of that. Because the other ones, well, this top's $48, but I think the other 3 items are very reasonable. But the total is $271. A buy all discount of 25% would take $67.75 off of the total. And I have the styling pass, so I don't get my $20 styling fee off because I don't pay the $20. I paid the $49 styling fee, and I've already taken that off. So I don't get anything else off. And that leaves the total at $203.25. So, as I said, that puts me in somewhat of a dilemma because I love every single thing in this box. And this is the top that's kind of derailing me, I guess, as far as what I would keep. Because, see, and I even tried putting it up, and this one just doesn't look right up. So I don't think that would be an option for me. And I just don't know where I would wear it, you know, to be off the shoulder and everything. I couldn't wear it to either of the jobs that I have, and you know, I could wear it out with my husband, but would that be enough to justify the $48? So please, please leave your comments below as to what you would do if you were in my position. Maybe you don't think I should get any of them, you know. That would be an option as well, but I would love to hear your comments. I wish Rebecca were here right now because she and I could talk this out together. Yeah. So again, please leave your comments below. And it is so good being back with you. It's so good having another Stitch Fix. I've actually got a fashion on the way, and I think I am getting ready to try Natalie Attired. I've never tried them before, and I've seen some people get some really great stuff with them as well. Okay, so until next time, I hope you have a great day, a great week, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.